Most motorcycles are going to end up on their side at least once, and a good set of crash bars can be the difference between dusting the bike off and riding off or dealing with an expensive repair. Today we're checking out the Hepco Becker upper crash bars for the 2025 and newer Honda NT1100. These bars are designed to work alongside with the lower bars that we have here, which is going to give you a more complete protection system for the entire bike. Now you can find these engine guards at accessoryinternational.com. Now these Hepco Becker upper bars are going to extend that protection up higher from the lower section to actually safeguard your tank, your side panels, and the front portions of the bike. Now one thing I really like about this design is that the Hepco bars actually follow the natural lines of the NT1100, so they don't look oversized or out of place. They're made in Germany and they're meant to handle years of riding. Another benefit of these bars is that they also provide additional tie down points, so if you're transporting your bike from point A to point B, it's going to allow an easier time doing that. Now if you want maximum protection for your NT1100 and that extra peace of mind every time you're taking it on the road, these bars are a great choice. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions for us, give us a call, 786-242-5400. And if you found any value out of this video today, give us a like and subscribe for more. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you next time.